Welcome back. This week I'm building a simple wobbler bot inside a loaf of bread. Let's get started. This simple bot design is by my friend and colleague Randy Serafan. It involves modifying two continuous rotation servo motors to bypass the control boards, effectively making them into just gear motors, which are powered by a simple battery pack. The wheels aren't round, which is what gives the wobbling effect. The circuit can be attached inside any enclosure you want, like a small Tupperware in his case, or a baguette in mine. See, there's this interactive art show coming up this weekend at my hackerspace, NYC Resistor, and the theme this year is self-driving carbs. So Randy proposed bread bots and I hopped on board to build a few based on his excellent simple bot instructables. If you're near NYC this weekend, come check out the show. I'll put a link in the description. I broke the first baguette I tried this with and learned a few things from the attempt. It's important to let the bread dry out for a day or two before trying to put in the electronics, but there is a sweet spot, and if you wait too long, the bread will be too brittle. I used 5-minute epoxy for most of the glue-ups in this project. I ran out at the end and used some hot glue to attach the battery door cover. Also, here's a fun tip. Did you know you can use canned air to dry hot glue quickly? It's because the air coming out of pressure is cold. I learned that from my friend Garrett's new book. I'll link that below too. After the glue dries and the bread is mostly dry, I put on a few coats of shellac to seal up the bread. This is what I found was recommended when I looked online at tutorials for preserving bread to display. Shellac is a pretty hard finish, but who knows how long this thing is going to hold up rolling around all night at a party. The other robot I made is this plastic plate vibrobot. I was thinking of putting more shellac baked goods on it. Do you have any suggestions? I'd love to hear them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I release new videos just about every week about technology, crafts, and my life here in New York City. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on my other social media for a sneak peek at what's to come.